Good morning, everyone. FuseGlassShop.com here. Diane Gracely and Keith Gracely are making fused glass art. And I just made my first piece yesterday. And after leaving the kiln cool for overnight, actually, we are going to look to see what my piece turned out to be. This is my first fused glass experiment. I am scared to open the lid because there's many possibilities that it didn't turn out. It could have cracked. So many things that can go wrong. So, give me a second here. Let's remove the lid and take a look. OMG. Oh my God. It is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at all that sparkle. And it did not break. Wow. So cool. My first pendant for a necklace turned out beautiful. I'm going to try to drill a hole in it with a diamond bit on my Dremel today to see if I can do that without cracking it. And then I will have my first necklace of fused glass. Awesome! Don't forget, stay tuned to our website, bookmark it, and stop back often because we will be adding successful, beautiful pieces of all different kinds. Necklaces, wind chimes, sun catchers. We're even doing cremation jewelry. All right, guys, FuseGlassShop.com. Bye. Have a great day.